spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck of 8 centimeter long, 2 centimeter in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 cubic centimeter. Check whether she is correct. Taking above inside measurement, pi is equal to 3.14. What is the meaning of this sentence? See, there is a vessel. The base of the vessel is in the form of a sphere and the top is in the form of a cylinder. Diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 and the height of the cylindrical part is 8 centimeter and the radius of the cylindrical part is 2 centimeter. The diameter of the cylindrical part is 2 centimeter. What you are asked to find out is, you are asked to find out the volume of the water, volume of the liquid that it can contain. See, the first and the golden rule that you should know is, whenever diameter is given to you, you need to find out the radius. We will call this capital D for the diameter of the spherical part and small d for the diameter of the cylindrical part. So here you see, diameter of the spherical part is 8.5. So the radius of the spherical part will be equal to diameter divided by 2, that is 8.5 divided by 2, that will be equal to 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So this will be the radius of the spherical part. If you want the radius of the cylindrical part, it will be small d by 2, that is 2 divided by 2 and that's equal to 1 centimeter. ओके चिल्ड्रन, समझ में आ गया? देखिए यहाँ पर इसका स्पेरिकल बेस है और सिलेंड्रिकल टॉप है. तो स्पीयर का डायमीटर आपको 8.5 दिया है, सिलेंडर का डायमीटर ऑफ द सिलेंडर दिया है आपको 2, हाइट आपको 8 दिया है. टोटल लिक्विड कितना ये पूछा है, तो डायमीटर से मैंने रेडियस ढूंढा. नाउ यू वांट द टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ लिक्विड. सो टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ लिक्विड it can hold is, total volume of liquid is equal to volume of spherical part plus volume of cylindrical part, volume of spherical part plus volume of cylindrical part. You add the volume of both the part. So what you are going to get, let us check it out. देखते हैं आपको क्या मिलेगा. स्पेरिकल पार्ट के लिए फॉर्मूला है 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब, 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट के लिए फॉर्मूला होगा पाई आर स्क्वायर्ड एच. रिमेंबर हियर आई हैव टेकन 2 सेपरेट आर बिकॉज द रेडिया differs here. Now what is common factor? Let us take it. See here, pi is common to both, so what is that I am going to get is 4/3 r cube, 4/3 r cube plus r squared into h. So this, if you simplify, you are going to write pi as 3.14 and here you see 4/3 you are going to write. Radius is 4.25 into 4.25 into 4.25 plus this radius is 1. This radius is 1 into height is 8. 1 into 8. Radius of the cylindrical part is 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 8. Now this, if you multiply, what you are going to get is 4/3 into, now 4.25 into 4.25 into 4.25, it will be equal to 26.7656. You multiply and check it. 4.25 को मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लीजिए आपको मिलेगा 76.7656. यहाँ पर आप देख लीजिए 1 into 1 into 8 होगा 8. 1 into 1 into 1 into कितना होगा 8 होगा. तो दिस अगेन इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई 76 पॉइंट दिस वन 307.0624 divided by 3 plus 8 एंड ऑफ कोर्स पाई की वैल्यू जो है वो तो है ही, उसके साथ हमको 3.14 लेना है, उसको मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3.14 विल बी ऑलवेज देयर। अगेन इस 102.35 प्लस 8 इंटू 3.14 so this will be equal to 102.35 plus 8 will be equal to 110.35 multiplied by 3.14। सिंपल है बच्चों, 102.35 में 8 जोड़ दोगे तो 110.35 इंटू 3.14 होगा और दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 346.511 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर। तो देखिए बच्चा कह रहा था सर 345 सीसी होगा, मगर जब एक्चुअल कैलकुलेशन हम करके देख रहे हैं तो हमको मिल रहा है 346.511 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर, यानी बच्चा जो कह रहा है उसका गलत है। वेदर शी इज करेक्ट? नो, शी इज नॉट करेक्ट। द चाइल्ड इज नॉट करेक्ट। नो, शी इज इनकरेक्ट। शी इज इनकरेक्ट। सो व्हाट आई डिड हियर इज, यहाँ पर मैंने क्या किया थोड़ा एक बार देख लो कि डायमीटर्स, 2 diameters were given to us. From the diameters I got the radius. Then what I did is volume of spherical part plus volume of cylindrical part I did it. Then what I did here, pi is common, so pi value we are supposed to take it as 3.14. Then 4 by 3 into 4.25 into 4.25 into 4.25 plus 1 into 1 into 8. Now this 4.25 into 4.25 into 4.25 will be equal to this much, 76.7656 into 4 by 3. Now this into 4 is equal to this much, 307.0624 divided by 3 again plus this 8, 307.0624. If you divide it, you are going to get 102.35 plus 8, and that is equal to 110.35 into 3.14. That's equal to 346.511 cubic centimeter. But what this child thought is, sir, it is 345 cc. Is she right? What do you say? No sir, how can she be right? Because we are going to get 346, here it is 345. So the child is wrong by 1 cubic centimeter. Approximately she is almost nearer, but we exactly, if you want, it is little bit 1 cc, 1.5 cc more.